Okay, this is lesson 23, day 2. As you can see, we are doing similar as we did on day 1, but instead of having a simple round number like 60, we are comparing pounds to ounces. So Wanda's shopping for a pet carrier for her cat. One small carrier can hold 240 ounces. Her cat weighs 12 pounds. We know, or we are told I should say, that 1 pound equals 16 ounces. So 1 pound 16, 1 pound 16. Number of pounds in 12 ounces in 12 pounds would be 12 times 16 equals 192. For some of you, it may make sense to screen sketch there to add 16 plus 16 plus 16 plus 16 12 times. That would be a lot of work and that would take a long time. So I'm going to show you off to the side the basic way to multiply 2 digits times 2-digit numbers. So if we have 12 times 16, first multiply 6 times 2 is 12. Put down the 2, we regroup, we put that 1 over in the tens. We carry the 1, I'm just going to say it. Now, 6 times, then you multiply 6 times 1, which was 6, then you add what was carried, which would be 7. 72 is 12 times 6 is 72. Next, we're done with our 6, so we cross it off. We put that X right below it to make sure we do not put anything here. We went over this when I showed you how to multiply 2-digit times 2-digit earlier. Now, the reason we put that X there, because really we're multiplying 10 times 2, not 1 times 2. But we can pretend that we're multiplying 1 times 2. What is 1 times 2? Is 2. And 10 times 2 is 20. So that X also acts as a 0. Okay. Now we have 1 times 1 is 1. Add those together. 2 plus 0, 7 plus 2, 1 plus nothing, 192. Matches up over here. So, her cat weighs 12 pounds, so her cat weighs 192 ounces. Hope I need to get off. 192 ounces. Go over to the next page. The bar model shows that 1 pound equals how many ounces? You should write 16 ounces. What do you multiply the number of pounds by to find the number of ounces? Number of pounds you'd multiply 16 because 16 pounds or ounces equals 1 pound. For number 4, write an expression to show how to convert any number of pounds to ounces. Use P to stand for the number of pounds. Go ahead and pause it and write your answer. You should write pounds times 16. Use the expression to solve the problem on the previous page. Can the carrier hold the cat and show your work? We already showed our work on the last one. So you could write down her cat is 12 pounds, if I remember correctly. Yes, 12 pounds times 16 ounces. And that equals 192 ounces. And 192 is less than the 240 ounces which the pet carrier can hold. So yes, she can buy that pet carrier. Describe how to convert a larger unit into a smaller unit. Go ahead, pause now, and write down what you believe. Okay, you should have written down something along the lines of multiply the number of larger units by the number of smaller units there are in each one of the larger units. So you'd multiply, again, the number of larger units, which in this case is pounds. Pounds are larger than ounces because 1 pound equals 16 ounces. So you multiply pounds times the ounces to get the total. Now, at the bottom of the page, go ahead and do the try it on your own and pause it. And then when you